Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 1969 Nova. This is a 3-owner car, all original metal, including the quarters and floors. Never see around. Paint is gorgeous, about 5 years old. Looks like electron blue. Sitting on dog dishes. Steel wheels gives it a real nice, mean, sinister look. Front wheels were actually cut down to give it that skinny look. Beautiful, super straight body. Excellent fitment of all the panels. Very nice glass, rubber, stainless. Beautiful felts in the windows, as you can see. This is not a put together car. This is a beautiful piece. Got a 377 under the hood. 9.5 to 1 compression. 465 horse at the crank. Runs on pump gas. Aluminum valve covers, Edelbrock Highrise manifold, original trim tag, Shorty headers, nice big aluminum radiator, keep it cool, Optima gel battery. We've got a double pumper on here. Let me show you the carburetor. Setup's pretty new. MSD ignition, MSD multi-spark discharger, MSD distributor, it's a 4-bolt main motor, Eagle rotating assembly. It's got Brodex steel heads, as you can see. Real nice heads. Disc brakes up front, General Motors. M22 rock crusher is the tranny to have. 12-bolt rear. It's a Posi rear. 373 gears. Also 90-10 shocks. 31 spline axle. Real pretty car. Super straight body. Look down the side of that. Nice as it gets. Super shiny chrome, stainless. The grill is impeccable. Got a large electric fan here to keep everything cool. Got a real sinister look too. Super nice. Mickey Thompson drag radials on the back. These are like brand new too. They're 275s. Showing 38,693 miles. Custom stereo, autometer, water and oil, bench seat, vinyl floor. A little tear in the seat right there. Not horrible. Beautiful headliner. Real nice sound to it. Real nice belt. Beautiful car. Thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website, WeBeAutos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.